Hello friends, I am Sudipto and today I am going to show you how you can code a program in C language in Dev C++. In the previous video, I already showed you how you can install a Dev C++ software in your system, and today I am going to show you how we can run a program in Dev C++. If you don't know how to install Dev C++ in your system, you can go to my previous video and learn how you can install Dev C++ in your system. Now today we learn a simple program in our C language in Dev C++. Now for a C programming language, for a code, we have to use so many library files. So you can ask, what is library files? Library files is like predefined files in Dev C++ software or in executive file of Dev C++, where we have to use some keywords for running the code, like printf, scanf and many others keyword or many others predefined function which we have to use in our program to successfully compile or successfully run a C language program. That's why we need library files, and we need to include the library files in our coding. So how we can include our library files? For including the library files, there is a keyword is #include in angular bracket stdio.h. This stdio.h is the library file, and we are going to include this library file. So that's why we are writing #include stdio.h, the stdio.h in the angular bracket. It is the format of including any library file. There are so many library files like stdio.h, like stdlib.h, like string.h, like math.h. We will learn about them later. Now there is a function concept. We have to use a main function in every C language program. Without main function we can't run a C language program. So we need a main function, and functions has return type which we will discuss further, but you have to know this, that there is some return type of function like void and any other data type. We will learn about data type in this video also. So I am here going to write void main. Void means empty, so there is no data type. I will not give any data type to main function, so that's why I have to write void main. And here we have to give braces like first brackets to indicate a keyword as a function. Which keyword or any word we want to declare as function, or any function name, we have to write braces, first bracket and closed bracket after the name of the function. Like here the main function name is main, so after it we have to write braces. And to mention a function scope, to mention the scope of a function, we have to open the function with single second bracket and close it with single second bracket. So this is the format of declaring any function, especially the main function. #include stdio.h, the library file, and then void main function. And in this main function we have to do all the works and all the coding which we want. A basic program of C programming is print a line in the console. So we are going to print a line in console in this program. So as I say before, that there is some keyword, some predefined function to manage our console or print anything or taking input from user. So in this case, as we are trying to write a line in console, we have to use printf function. So what the printf function do? I told you before that whenever we are going to use a function, we have to use braces. So this predefined function is printf. It is already defined in stdio.h library file. So we can use printf as we already included the stdio.h file. If we don't include this stdio.h file and then we use printf function, there will be an error. You can try this error. You totally delete the line hash include std.io.h, and then when you use printf, and then when you want to run, the compiler will show you an error. So we are going to print a line that subscribe my channel. So here printf function, in printf function braces, what line we are going to print in the console or we are going to show in the console, we have to write this line in double quotes. So printf braces open and close, in the braces we have to write double quotes and then we have to write the line in the double quotes, like printf braces start in double quotes subscribe my channel braces close, and after the close of the braces we have to give a semicolon. This semicolon means end of a line of this code. Whenever we are going to end the line, whenever we are going to end the line the code, we have to give a semicolon. Semicolon detects the compiler that it is the line, whole line in the code. Now we save this file from the file in menu bar. You can see at the left corner there is a file option. You have to select it, and then in the drop down button you have to select save option, and then from here you can select any of the folder or any of the disk or any of the drive. You have to save the program, but when you are saving the program you have to mind that you have to select from here the C source file or .c file, because we are doing C language, not C++ language. So we need C source file, not C++ source file. So I am mentioning that you have to use C source file, not C++. So you have to select the file type as C source file or .c source file and name the file as you want. I am giving the name of the file is program1 and save it. And now we have to compile this. There is a execute button in the menu bar. You have to click on it and then you have to compile this. Now you can see that there is no error, no warning, and there is showing the output file name. Output file name I will teach you later. And then from execute we have to select the run option, and this is the console. I am talking about this console. In this console you will see all your program output, all your program input. We have to use this console to our input and to see our output. So this is a simple program. You can try this in your system. If you face any type of problem, you can comment me below. I will try to solve your problem. And if you like my videos, if you like my channel, you can subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, and after subscribing my channel, press the bell button in all. So whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you very much.